Well, it is the battle for the crown, and we are getting some breaking news coming in. Remember, it was jelly beans controversy 4 years ago, and this time it's Vaseline, over which a controversy has erupted in the second India-England test. VVS Lakshman accused of using Vaseline on his bat to allegedly manipulate the hotspot technology in the DRS, or the decision review system. Let's go across to Boria Majumdar joining us with those details on what the controversy is all about. Boria?
Rupali, the fact is this sort of was started by Michael Vaughan, the former England captain. This started when VVS Lakshman on 27 yesterday apparently nicked the ball from James Anderson. That's what the English claim, and he was not given out by the umpire. And then the hotspot proved inconclusive, and the decision was given in favor of the batsman. Now, the English feel that he was using Vaseline, which may have been a manipulative thing on the part of VVS Lakshman. That's what Michael Vaughan tweeted. Stuart Broad, when he came to the post-match press conference, he actually sort of dismissed Michael Vaughan's claims somewhat. Maybe it's a case of sour grapes. Maybe they're trying, because they were bundled out cheaply for 221, they're trying to put pressure on India, come back, because VVS Lakshman and Rahul Dravid have been the two star batsmen in this series. And yesterday also, Lakshman and Dravid played beautifully. So this may have been an effort on the part of the English to somewhat put the pressure back on the Indians and gain an ascendancy in this test match. Stuart Broad somewhat downplayed the incident in the press conferencing. No, there may not have been Vaseline,
That's right.
Something like that. But Michael Vaughan's tweet is instructive that the English media and former England players are not going to spare the Indians going into the series.
That's right. Let's try and listen into Stuart Broad's reaction.
I thought all of our players thought that was quite a clear edge, and Hotspot's not really shown up the faint edges, which is a bit of a flaw, I think. But there was obviously just a question of what did it hit, and the answer was obviously not what KP thought it was.